Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simulate some mouse movements in Doodly.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Every now and then, you might have a scene in Doodly with a computer screen, and it's kind of fun to add some mouse clicks and other movements to it, just to give it some dimension and just, a touch of fun. It works best when you have an image of a computer screen or maybe a mobile device. So that's how we're going to start today. Let's go ahead and delete this scene and we'll start fresh. Go over to props and type in computer. Let's use this one. Let's say we have some sort of a product that we want our users to purchase. So let's go ahead and simulate that. Let's create a little product and then a purchase button, a buy now button. And then what we want is for them to use their little mouse and click on it. So bear with me while I build this scene. Okay, so I've built my scene. What I want to have happen is have a mouse type image come up here and click the download now button. So what do? Well, we need to find the appropriate image. Let's see if we have a cursor. Ah, yes, click arrow and click hand. These are both built into Doodly, so you have them. And I think I'm going to do the click hand today. So here, now that comes in. Let's just take a preview of our scene as we have it, and then we'll make some decisions. So I just have the guy coming in, drawing the first scene, and then he's going to draw the little hand on. And I don't like that because that's not really simulating it popping on. What we want to do is turn off the drawing completely and maybe give it a little bit of a delay. Maybe we have a voice talking about this, and then we're going to have the hand pop on and click the download button. And when that happens, I want the download button to react a little bit. So I want it to get big and then small, back to normal again, just very subtle. So we will need a second scene. It needs to be exactly identical to this, but with the button reacting. So the first thing we want to do is go down here and right click on this scene, choose duplicate. Now we have an exact copy, and by exact it is everything the same, right? So we want to turn these to 0. We don't want them redrawing. Every last one needs to be 0. And we can turn the delay off on this. So now we have a very short identical scene. Let's go back to the first scene. We want to go to scene settings, and we want to turn this exit animation off because we don't want it swiping away only to reappear. Okay, so I have my scene, and then I have my little mini copy of the scene. Everything has been zeroed out. Now we go here, let's select both of the items, and you do that by pushing down on Command or Control and clicking at the same time. That turns them into a group, and now we can resize it. So if we take a quick preview, you'll see the little mouse hand comes on, boom, and it reacts, gets bigger. And I think we might even want to add some little pressure marks. So if we go over here, search for line, you can use these. That would be kind of dramatic to have all of those appear. Might be a little much. I was thinking, maybe 1 or 2 lines, but let's try it. And we want these lines to be underneath the hand. We want them underneath all of that stuff. Let's take a quick preview. Oh. And what happened? It stopped to draw this, so I gotta make sure to make the duration 0. We'll try again. Okay, we're getting there. Now we want to duplicate it one more time. And on this second one, let's make sure we don't have an animation at the end, so turn that off. That's fine. Now let's go over to this one. Turn the animation off on that one as well. Sometimes it's hard to tell which one you're in. Okay, so I'm now in the third one. And now we want to delete the little lines. And then let's make this small again. Now let's go ahead and have this hand move out of the frame. So once again, we want to right click on our scene and choose duplicate. Make sure we're in the scene, and everything is zeroed out. The only thing we're going to change now is the hand position. Let's duplicate it one more time. Duplicate. Duplicate. And this time we can just delete it completely. Let's take a quick look and we'll be done. And there you have it. That's how you can simulate mouse movements using Doodly. Thanks for watching.